Hello, my name is Professor Dashwood, and I heard you want to learn about the mole. No, I'm not talking about the mammal. I'm talking about the unit. The mole is a counting unit that we use when we want to count representative particles. One mole equals 6 times 10 to the 23rd representative particles. The volume of one mole is 22.4 liters. What are representative particles? Well, atoms, the basic unit of chemical elements, used when examining elements. Examples are calcium, oxygen, helium. Molecules, a group of atoms bonded together representing the smallest fundamental unit of a chemical compound that can take place in a chemical reaction. Used when examining covalently bonded compounds. Examples are H2O, CO2, PCl5. And formula units, the lowest whole number ratio of ions represented in an ionic compound, used when examining ionically bonded compounds. Examples are NaCl, K2SO4. Amedeo Avogadro, the man who created the number for the mole, mathematically determined this number through his experimentation with gases. His principle states that equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules. How big is a mole? If you were able to count at the rate of 1,000,000 numbers a second, it would take about 20 billion years to count out one mole. All 7 billion people on Earth were to do nothing but count the atoms in one mole of an element 24 hours a day at the rate of 1 atom per second, it would take 4 million years. 1 mole of marbles is enough marbles to cover the entire Earth to a depth of 50 miles. 1 mole of high school chemistry textbooks would cover the USA to a depth of about 320 kilometers. 1 mole of marshmallows would cover the USA to a depth of 105,000 kilometers. A mole of donut holes would cover the Earth and be 5 miles deep. A mole of watermelon seeds would be found inside a melon slightly larger than the moon. Avogadro's number of pennies would make at least 7 stacks that would each reach to the moon. Well, there you have it. That's the mole. See you next time.